Hello everyone, welcome to BCOM 3113 for spring 2019. I cannot believe it is the year 2019, but here we are. I'm really looking forward to this class. I'm really looking forward to working with you all this semester. If you need anything, don't hesitate to reach out. Obviously, we're all here in the thick of the first week. There's growing pains associated. But I just want to post this video. I will try to do this type of thing once a week, every week for the next 15 weeks. If I miss one or two, that might happen, but that's my goal anyway, get more of my ugly mug on your screens. But that way we can just try to have the same feel of a face-to-face class where I kind of check in with you, at least on the video. There's a good chance too I'm going to try an experiment later in the next week or two, and then throughout the rest of the semester, of offering up some form of virtual office hours. If you're interested in that, especially if you're interested in that, please email me. I would love to know how many of you would be willing to take me up on that. That will kind of determine how far along I go with that idea or not. But anyway, just like we'll do in all these videos, what we'll do is we'll just take a real quick look at what we're up against for that week and any important dates or deadlines that we need to do. So let's take a look. As you can see, when you log into Brightspace page for this course, everything you will need will show up here underneath content. If you go to course home, this is where you will need to first start in order to get logged into Connect. If you've never used Connect before, there's a video. It's real simple though. You just have to click on that Go to My Connect section, and if you've never been on Connect, you have to create a user ID and a password. If you have already used it before, you can just use the same login that you already have, but you need to follow that link. Don't just go to McGraw-Hill's website. Syllabus is here, and I will always do this right here, a weekly outline, both in print, and then I will come in and reiterate it. So again, this week we just have a few introductory assignments. There's a self-introduction assignment, which is real simple. You can just follow the instructions, create your PowerPoint about yourself so we can all kind of get to know each other. That's going to feed into next week, where you'll actually do a discussion board and actually look at other people's. And then the other thing that we want to do is read chapter 1 out of the Smart Book and make sure that you watch the lecture video. So I've recorded lots of lecture videos. I've tried to make them all relatively short. So studies have shown that if you keep your videos below a certain threshold, they're much more likely to be watched, or at least played in the background somewhere. But I did spend a lot of time making those, so please watch them, and it will really help you out, especially when it comes to the major assignments. So again, follow these outlines every week. And the other big thing is there's a Learn, Smart, Achieve assignment, grammar exercises. So make sure that you check that out. That is a much longer assignment, and it's going to take several weeks to do. So the sooner you get in on that, the better. As always, throughout this semester, you have any issues or questions at all, please feel free to email me. And I really look forward to working with you all this semester. I hope you all have a great first week back, and let's start strong and just continue some good momentum. All right, get to work.